Does watching movies with subtitles help us learn English? The short answer to that is yes, it does. But the kind of help that we get from watching movies with subtitles is the same help that it's the same learning that we get from traditional schools. It does help us learn English words and phrases, but it does very little in helping us learn to speak English fluently. Why did I say that? Because when you are watching movies with subtitles, a big chunk of your attention is on the subtitles, reading them, and you miss the actual meat of the learning. You miss the characters' movements, the facial expressions, the sounds of the words and phrases, the intonation, and many other little things that the characters do that give life to the spoken words written in the subtitles that you are reading. Maybe you can agree with this. When we read, we hear our own voice in our mind reading. Not Morgan Freeman's voice, not Ryan Gosling's voice. We hear our own voice, and we do not want to learn from ourselves. Here's what I suggest. Watch the movie with subtitles, and then watch it again without subtitles. And on the third time, watch the movie and imitate any character as much as you can. That's the best way you can learn how to speak English, by watching movies with subtitles. But as you can see, it is very time consuming. And that's the reason why I don't suggest learning spoken English by watching movies. If you are serious about taking your spoken English skills to the next level, check out my other videos. And if you get something from this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you all. God bless you.